In this video we are working on a Holden VX Monaro. Also took advantage of the perfect opportunity to bring out my 1970 HG Kingswood. It's also sprayed devil yellow, same colour as a Monaro, and I thought I'd just bring them out together, just get a nice couple of videos and some photos. But yeah, this one's come in for the usual headlining repairs. You can see it sagging at the middle there and also on the sides and the front. Like most cars, we make a start by reclining the seats, putting blankets down to protect the interior, and then also checking the interior lights to see their function. That way we can also just make sure that we haven't done anything to the lighting in case right at the end they don't work and we're like, oh shit, we didn't check them. Were they working before they came in or not? So just do a routine check, make sure everything's operating. Go around, check all if there's any scratches or marks on the interior, get a good before photo. Drop down this headliner, we take out the dome light, the interior light, sun visors, the front A-pillars came out. You can see the material's sagging really bad because it just basically falls off. This powder's just dropping down on you. And so we're just going to take off the old material, clean up that old foam. You can see it's gone all like orange and crumbly. You can use handheld tools, or we're just using a cordless drill with a nylon brush attachment just to speed up the process. On some headliner boards that are quite sturdy and strong, you can withstand like this type of aggressive rubbing anyway. So but you know, if you've got a board that's like very easily damaged, you can just use the hand brushes instead. But we're just going to go ahead and get this board to a nice clean surface ready for brand new glue and brand new material to be added. So we're just going to go through, buzz it all off, get it to a nice clean surface. Today's fabric choice to match up to the original material would be the number 3 light grey velour that we're using. So that's got that softer type of finish. It's not a flat knit. In the later models, the VZs, the VYs, they came out with that stitch type of weaving pattern. The glue that we're going to be using is the T65. Not through the aerosol can though, we just use it through like a massive 20 litre canister delivery system. Same thing though, there it is down there. Powered through the gun. No sound on this setup, which we love, and very low odour glue, so it's very easy and convenient product to use. But we do sell the glues in this brand, the T65, on our eBay page, along with the fabric as well. So we have the links to those products in the description and on the comment section. When spraying glue, I like to get a nice even coverage by overlapping about 50% each time. Sometimes I do a couple of laps through. I spray around the high stress areas. I also spray sometimes a border around the job just to control the overspray. Using an off-cut piece of headlining material, I like to use that just to push down on the job to get good adhesion from the fabric to the board, and also prevents your fingertips from denting or creasing the fabric. But if you do, I like to use handheld steamers. They give instant results. Otherwise you can just wait it out. Sometimes you just install it into the car. After a few warm days the job will look perfect anyway. Cleaning agents, we use that Bowden's own orange agent. That's a really good product to use to clean up the headliners. This A-pillar was needing to be redone as well, but the customer only wanted one A-pillar done. So what we did there, we didn't want to recover in brand new material, otherwise it's just going to stick out like dog's balls. So basically we just reused the original rooflining material that came off the headliner board and just recovered it and cut the shape and used that on the A-pillar. That way we can blend the two together, like where it marries up with the B-pillar. So because there's 5 pillars in total, we only did one. Did that to blend it in because he had cigarette burns. So it all looked perfect, and that's the job completed, guys. What do you think of these two cars? Devil yellow is one of my favorite colors.